Catch on means to slowly start to understand something. For instance, he caught on after a few minutes. Catch up. Catch up means to make up for a lost time. I will never catch up. I am too behind in my work. Catch up with means to speed up to be at the same place as a person or thing in front of you. I had to run to catch up with the others. Catch up on means become up to date. I need to catch up on world events. I haven't seen the news in ages. Check back means to return to see if everything is okay. For instance, we will check back tomorrow to make sure the project is finished. Check by means to go to a place to see if everything is okay. We need to check by the office to see if the documents are ready. Check into means to enter a hospital or hostel also. They checked into the hotel at 12 p.m. Check into can also mean to investigate, to look for. We are checking into discount flights to London. Check off means to make a mark next to something. Check each name off the list. Come about means to occur or happen. How did your idea for the book come about? Come across means to discover by accident. They came across some lost books in the jungle. Come along. To come along means to accompany someone. If you want, you can come along. Come along with means to accompany. Sam came along with us to the beach. Come along also means to progress. How are you coming along with the research paper? Die away means to diminish in intensity. The applause died away after 5 minutes. Drop over means to visit someone casually. Drop over anytime you feel like talking. Eat away means gradually destroy or erode. The heavy rains ate away the sandstone cliffs. Eat up means to devour. Kemi ate the cookies up. Eat in means to eat in the house. We usually eat in instead of going out for dinner. Eat out means to eat outside the home. John and Sule eat out once a week. Fall through means fail to happen. Unfortunately, his trip to Indonesia fell through because he couldn't save enough money. Get through means to penetrate. The door was jammed, so we couldn't get through. Get through with means to finish something. Have you gotten through with your homework yet? Get through to means to make contact. It is hard to get through to Jane because her telephone line is always busy. Give away also means to betray, usually a secret. We are having a surprise party for Susan's next Saturday. So don't give our surprise away by acting suspiciously. Give in means to stop trying. Never give in. You can do it. Give off means to release, usually a smell or light. The white flowers gives off a beautiful smell. Give out means to distribute. I earn extra money by giving out brochures on the street. Give out also means to become very tired. I hope this car doesn't give out in the middle of the desert. Give up means to surrender something. The police told the thief to give his gun up. Go on means continue. Please go on. Don't let me interrupt you. Go on also means happen. This place is a mess. What went on here last night? Go over means to review. Do you usually go over your notes before class? Go over can also mean to be well received or succeed. That didn't go over well. Go through means examine in detail or study carefully. I need to have my lawyer go through this contract before I sign it. Go through can also mean to endure, experience challenges or difficulties or traumas. She has gone through so much in her life. Go with means to match. That shirt doesn't go with those pants. Go with can also mean to accompany a person. I am going with Benson to the party. Go with can also mean to have a boyfriend or a girlfriend. I am going with Edochie. Go without means to abstain from something you want or need. A person can go without water for 3 days. Grow under means to go out of business. The restaurant went under after 5 years. Hand back means to return. Is the teacher going to hand back our tests today? Hand down means to pronounce formally. The president is going to hand his decision down on health care tonight. Hand down can also mean to give an inheritance. When my clothes go too small for me as a child, I handed them down to my sister. Hand in means to submit. I have to hand in an offer by March 12. Hand out means to distribute. We should hand the crusade flyers out at school. Hang around means to stay in a place for fun. Those guys just hang around all day. Hang up means to suspend, usually clothes on a hanger. You can hang your jacket up in the front closet. Hang up can also mean to put down the telephone receiver. Don't hang up. I'm going to change phones. Hold up means delay, that is, in a flight or traffic. The accident held traffic up for an hour. Hold up can also mean to rob a bank or a person, usually with a weapon. 5 men held up the bank yesterday. Let down means to disappoint. I felt let down when I didn't receive a birthday card from my sister. Let down can also mean to lengthen, that is, pants in sewing. My uncle is a tailor, so he can let your pants down. Let out can mean release. I am happy my brother was let out of prison early. Let out also means make bigger. I need to let out this skirt because I have gained weight. Make out means succeed. He really made out in the stock market last year. Make out can also mean to progress. How is your son making out in his new job? Make out can also mean to kiss passionately. I saw Romeo and Isabella making out in the movie last night. Pass away means to die. After battling cancer for several years, he finally passed away at the age of 98. Pass on means to transmit. Please pass this message on to your co-workers. Pull in means to park, usually a vehicle. Mr. Ola pulled in too quickly and crashed into the wall. Pull out means to depart, usually a vehicle. Our train pulls out at 8 a.m., so don't be late. Pull through means to barely survive. I didn't think she was going to make it, but she pulled through in the end. Think through means consider carefully. You need to think this through carefully before you make a decision. Throw away means to discard. Don't throw away those bottles. We can recycle them. Adjective.